How to make $100 a day with AI. 3 secret methods no one will tell you to 0 to 5. Stop right there. If you've been searching for ways to make money online all day and haven't succeeded, then this video is for you. In the last 6 months, AI has completely changed how we earn money online. I won't give you false promises, but I will give you 3 practical, proven methods where you can start earning up to $100 a day starting today using only free AI tools and zero investment. These methods are not commonly shared. Don't skip even 1 second of this video because the third method is the most profitable one. AI writing agency. Our first method, and arguably the easiest, is to launch an AI writing agency. You don't need perfect English grammar, nor do you need to spend hours typing. The AI will do 90% of the heavy lifting for you. Head straight to Fiverr or Upwork and list your services. Focus on high-demand gigs like SEO-optimized blog posts or high-converting product descriptions. Clients pay good money for these services globally. Your main weapon is ChatGPT or Gemini. Once you receive an order, you only need to craft one powerful master prompt. For example, write a compelling, SEO-friendly 500-word blog post targeting the primary keyword best budget laptops 20 to 6. The AI delivers the content in seconds. Your job is simple. Proofread it, add some final human polish, and deliver it to your client. Job done. You've just earned your first $20 using nothing but a free tool. If you think that sounds too easy, wait until you see the second and third secret methods coming up right after this. Keep watching. YouTube script automation. Our second method targets a massive, underserved market. Thousands of successful YouTube channels, the ones that use only voiceovers and stock footage, need fresh, high-quality scripts every single day. You'll target channels focused on history, top 10 lists, or mysteries. Head straight to Upwork or Fiverr and list your service as a viral YouTube voiceover script writer. You are solving their biggest time sink. Your AI secret weapon here is Write Sonic or Jasper. Once a client gives you a topic, you feed the AI a powerful prompt. For example, write a captivating 10-minute video script with strong transitions on the topic, the 5 most mysterious underwater discoveries. These AI tools generate a perfectly structured script with attention-grabbing hooks in seconds. After a quick proofread, you deliver the script and can comfortably charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per script. It's almost pure profit. That is how you use AI to automate wealth creation. But hold on, the third method is the most unique and requires the least client interaction. You don't want to miss the final strategy. AI art gigs for passive income. And now, the third and most unique method, AI art gigs. This is the best way to earn because it eliminates endless client revisions and allows you to profit repeatedly from a single creation. You don't need design software, only access to AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. Your entire job is simply writing the perfect prompt to generate breathtaking, rare, and commercially viable images. Where do you sell this AI art? There are 2 incredibly profitable markets. First, use print-on-demand websites to sell the designs for t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Second, sell unique wallpapers, logo icons, or gaming art as digital assets on Etsy or Fiverr. Think about it. One stunning design created by AI in 30 seconds can keep earning you passive income for months or even years. This is true passive income unlocked by artificial intelligence. These were your 3 secret AI methods to start earning today. Now it's time to take action. Which of these 3 methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.